Hi, it's Katie with WTI, and I love that I can have glasses that are kid friendly and safe without having characters all over the place. These glasses by Scandinavia are so beautiful. These cups are nice and thick and durable without being an eyesore. You can drop them on the floor and not have to worry about them breaking. And they hold 13 fluid ounces, which means they can hold an entire can of soda or another beverage. My kids are always leaving their cups of water all over the house, which really stinks because we have two cats that love to knock things over. And I don't have to worry about anything more than a mess of water, no broken glass to clean up. The assortment of colors is a lot of fun, and they're great for both indoor and outdoor use. Our family just loves these cups by Scandinavia, and I think your family will too. And that's my point of view.